Ever wonder why you get to shiver after a dip in the summer? We'll get back to that. In the meantime, would you like to save up to 40% of the energy consumed in production? Sounds like a good idea, right? What if these savings also created ideal indoor climate conditions for your employees and production equipment? Curious to know more? If you have to cool production lines, the usual way is to cool via a ventilation system. It's essentially a good solution, but in the winter months, the air the ventilation system brings in from the outside has to be heated. If the air outside is 5 degrees, it has to be heated to 18 degrees to create a comfortable temperature for the people working in the spaces that need cooling. Heating the large volumes of air that are used to cool a production environment is very costly. There's another disadvantage. The indoor climate has very low relative air humidity, and there is a greater risk of static electricity, disruptions to production, and employees getting headaches. By improving relative air humidity in the indoor environment, you can reduce the volume of air heated and save up to 40% of energy consumption. You save energy because the humidification produces a natural cooling effect. This is called evaporative cooling, also known as adiabatic cooling. And to answer your question why you get to shiver after a dip in the summer, for water to evaporate in the air, you need energy. That energy has to come from somewhere. As air passes around water, an exchange of energy takes place, which causes the water temperature to fall. The humidification process produces a comfortable level of relative air humidity at 45 to 55%, which is optimal for human beings and the production environment. Humidification and evaporative cooling save you money because the volume of ventilated air that has to be heated is much smaller. It's that simple. We always provide energy calculations free of charge so that you can see how much you can save.